Hey, NerveSpa family, Scott here. Um, have the pleasure of talking to Dr. Elra Morgan, actually the stylish Elra Morgan, up in the second Sunshine State of Michigan. Um, and Elra's been good enough to spend a few minutes chatting with me, and just kind of telling everybody at home why he got started using the NerveSpa products, and after what seems like several years, why he's sticking around. So, Elra, thanks for doing this.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
So, let's dive in because I know you're a busy man. You you actually use several of our products, if I'm not mistaken. You've used our NerveSpa Pro 90. I know you've used our Knee Pro. I think some of our light therapy and even a little bit of our nutrition. Do I have that right?
You do. You do. And the purposes of using this equipment and the technology and the nutrition was to give my patients an advantage when they weren't in the office. So you actually helped me package together my kit that I send the patients home with that qualify for those services.
Oh, fantastic! Thank you for the shameless plug at me. Um, so basically, it's a two-part question. What got you, what got you going with us? What motivated you to give us a try? And then years later, what's keeping you around?
Well, the A to start is that I was doing home products with other companies, and they were just super expensive. It was eating into my profit. So I looked around for some alternatives that gave me the same quality, that gave me the same results that I was looking for, and I discovered you guys. After several conversations with you, after reviewing all the technical specs of the equipment, I decided it'd be a good move for me to go ahead and move forward with that. So that's the first part. The second part, the reason I stay around is because my patients get the results. They like the fact that I can speak to them with confidence and say, listen, if you're doing this right here at home, in 90 days, you're going to notice a difference. Actually, before 90 days, you're going to notice a difference. But I can make statements like that with confidence, knowing from the past track record and the results that I've received already with patients in the past. So I can tell them definitively. I can look them in the eye. You know, the person that has the most
Great,
confidence is the person that's going to win.
that's awesome. So basically, worst case scenario, same results with what you used to use, and it's using the nerve spot stuff is helping you drive increased profitability.
Yes, yes, and yes. So I gave you three yeses because the third the third yes is because I put the stuff on papers. We do it in handouts and stuff like that, and people just enjoy it, man. They look how it's they like how it's visually presented, and then we're able to use that information to help drive referrals to drive profits. Because we have people that live far away and they don't want to come out. Oh, I got to be there in the office 12 times, 10 times, 15, 30 times. Well, you don't. You just got to come out a couple times. We do a couple exams, couple re-exams. You qualify. Here you go. So that's the
Well,
third yes.
love it, love it. We all like to sell stuff, no secret. But I rather enjoy hearing that our products do what they're supposed to. I like it where everybody in the equation benefits. We are growing our business, of course. You're growing your business, and the patient's getting better. And if that happens, then obviously everybody wins, which is exactly the way it should be.
I agree.
Well, fantastic. Well, Era, I told you this wouldn't take long, and you hit all the nails on the head. So thank you for the time and the candor. And unless there's something else you'd like to add, you know, I'll let you go and do what you do best and take care of patients.
Well, I will just say for doctors who are sitting on the fence, if you want to put together a home care package, hook up with a man here. He'll take care of you. Your patients will see a better result because they're able to treat themselves when they're not physically here in the office. So that's a win-win across the board for everybody. So that's the three
Awesome,
yeses. Yes for you, yes for the patient, yes for NerveSpa.
awesome. Thanks again for your time.
My
Um,
pleasure.
I'm hoping to hear from you soon, if you know what I mean. And you enjoy the rest of your day.
All right, you as well.